Hi guys, how you going? My name's Sam, I'm from CH Smith Marine, and today I'm going to be talking about community layers. Community layers are a new feature in the HDS 4.1 update for the classic units. Basically it allows you to load community data that's been generated and given to Navionics. This data allows you to view more information on places that aren't mapped as often, such as Malakuta Inlet, which is where we're going to look today. So here we have our HDS 10 and it's currently loaded up. At the moment we're looking, where are we looking? We're in Port Phillip, so I'm just going to head over to Malakuta quickly. Notice that I'm using a classic unit. This update didn't count on Gen 2, but I'm sure we'll see that update at some point in the future. So I'll find the area I want to look at. In this case it's Malakuta, which is a bit of a brim hotspot in Victoria. Just make sure it's turned off at the moment so I can show you the full process. It is turned off. So the easiest way to look at it is, I'm just going to go in here. I've got a rough idea where there are some good marks. But at the moment you can see Malakuta looks pretty blank. Typically Navionics relies on Australian survey data, and the lakes haven't been really surveyed. That's the reason why we don't see much. Now the first thing I do to bring up this community layer is I load my Navionics chart. You need to have bought it within the last 12 months and have the chart registered. It also gives you 12 months of free updates. I press the menu button, I go to chart options, and then I select community layer and I make sure that's turned on. Once that's turned on, I'll have a new lot of information come up. In this case we can see some of the markers here and here and here. These are also indicated by the plus sign. There are more markers than this. I'll just quickly bring us up to somewhere that you can see them a bit better. So this is a pretty good example where in the past Malakuta was pretty blank. Now at least we have the markers pulled up. So if I hover over, it'll actually tell me. So it's beacon 1. And depending on where we go we can get more information with a bit of luck. 4. Of course now it doesn't play the game. 14, hang on. So this is called John Bull, which I'm not that familiar with Navionics. With Malakuta itself, but I assume that's a reference to a local area. Basically your community markers are going to give you more information and make it a little bit easier to navigate those waters that you probably haven't had the detail you've wanted in the past. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you've learned something from it. If you need any information, feel free to log on to www.chsmith.com.au and I'm sure we can pass it on.